Hello, so I'm out here and I'm going to do the Revolver challenge. So, and I'm going to use my Smith Wesson model 686. Let's see how I do. So this is how I did on Long Rifle's Revolver Challenge. This was at 7 yards, and this was with my model 686 Smith & Wesson revolver. So I shot a little low there, but I got one there, and I got 2, 3, and then like 4. So that might be on the edge. So like 5. So I got like 5. So again, this is Long Rifle's 7-yard revolver challenge, and I'll leave a link to his channel. And hopefully you all enjoyed the video.